Hi everybody, welcome back to the Canadian Traveler. I hope you can hear me. I'm talking a little bit quieter. So, kind of doing something a little bit different today. It's a holiday here in the Philippines, a different kind of holiday. So, just after Halloween, we all know Halloween around the world. It's, in Canada, children dress up, go out trick-or-treating. But right after Halloween, there is two holidays. There's, see if I got it right, All Saints Day is on November the 1st, and All Souls Day is on November the 2nd. Now, on All Souls Day, and I think on All Saints Day as well, but for sure on All Souls Day, which happens to be today, everybody goes to visit their deceased ancestors. And they go and they clean the gravestones and they make sure the gravesite's looking good. But they also have a picnic. They visit, they have some family bonding time. Just give you a second here. And they basically have a family event with their deceased loved one. It's not something I've ever seen, ever experienced in Canada. I'm sure there's some people that do it. I've never seen it. And I've certainly never seen anything at this level. I'm right now walking in a cemetery, and everywhere I look, I mean, there's literally thousands of people having picnics and burning candles, and bringing flowers to the grave sites of their loved ones, and it's really something to see. To say my mind is blown would be an understatement. It's just absolutely surprising to me. So I'm going to turn the camera around, let you see it. And, I was a little hesitant at first to blog this, but I'm trying to come at this in a very respectful way, and that's what this is meant as. Is traveling around the world, sometimes you see things that you just don't have in your own culture, and this is certainly one of those occasions.
Ano ako sa katao imagnan nga mangita sa pagkakang nalabaw pa sa iyang pagbalingon na wala siya tulipan at pag-unsa ang pagkaayo-alaw sa iyang pagbalingon sa iyang pinaguli. Sa panahon sa pinaghanong sa mga adlaw sa iyang pagtuyo ug samtang ang panahon nilabay sama sa usa ka adino kung kinsay makasulti kaniya kung unsay may tabo sa umaabot dito kaniya ilalo sa ato. Nagpasalong ko ng kanisaman na nakagpuno ang panahon sa pagkutang.
It's just really something to see that people haven't forgotten their loved ones, and this is a national holiday, and people don't have to be urged to do this. This is something they want to do. They want to spend time with their family, both the living and the remembered. This is a really big cemetery I'm at. This is one of many cemeteries. This is the only one I'm going to get to today. It's very hot, by the way. I also just arrived from Canada today, so I might look a little on the tired side. But there's no time to rest, You get off the plane, you hit the road, hit the ground running. It's just such a beautiful show of respect. So this is just one graveyard, one cemetery in Tagum City. This is happening all over the country, in cemeteries, in little towns, big cities, everywhere. And I'm pretty sure there's other Asian countries that do similar things. But again, I've never experienced this. And when I saw this, I knew I had to videotape this. I had to share it with you, share it with the world. It's just very refreshing, like I said, to see that people remember those that have gone on before. So the next day we left Tagum. Just outside of Tagum is a place we know as San Isidro, and my wife has some ancestors, some close family members at this cemetery. So although we couldn't make it on All Souls Day, we came the very next day to visit a grandmother, grandfather, and aunt that are buried here. We also visited the unmarked grave of some younger relatives that passed on. And I'm not going to lie, it wasn't by accident that I came here, because I'm also here to visit my father-in-law, who passed away a year ago. And we'll end this with him.